Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 27. And our prompts for this week is something representing a holiday. I've got this Christmas tree. I figure since tomorrow starts July, we can have Christmas in July just a day early. A toy. This is a doll and it's cut from my books that I had gotten bought from Cheryl of Ink Pulp when she had a sale, and they're art dolls, so I'm using that. The sun or moon, so I've also got the moon, a handwritten line from a song. I've got Walking in a Winter Wonderland, water in some form. I've got snow, and the bonus is a shoe or shoes, and she's got a shoe on, so this prompt really took care of a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I've already got my background page down. This just came out of one of my Christmas books, so it was perfect for the background for this. And I'm going to add my trees down. And I think I'm just going to glue at the bottom for right now until I know for sure where I'm going to put everything. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. If I can get rid of my headache. I think it's the heat because I've had it for a few days. Off and on, but today was kind of bothering me a lot. I shouldn't have went so far. Let me cut this, trim it off. Oops, too many pages. Take that page out. Okay. Alright. So I've got that. Excuse me for sniffing so much. I think it's allergies. Alright. I've already inked around the edges of my images. So I'm going to add the tree right about there. And since it's chopped off, I figured I'd put that at the top. And I'm going to add my doll with the moon and tuck it back here. And where that's cut off, I can just kind of put it right there. I want the man's face to show, so the man of the moon. There we go. So let me go ahead and get my tree down. So it won't keep moving around. I know a lot of people say it's too soon for Christmas, and it is. But it's fun decorating this time of year or making decorations and things like that. And we crafters, we need to get ahead, don't we? Okay, now I can tuck her in maybe like that. Yeah, I like that. And I just copied the image. Oop, gotta make sure her shoe shines, so I'll put that over. Alright, yeah, I did copy that because there was something on the back of the page that I wanted as well, so I just made a copy. This is my own personal journal. I won't be selling it or anything. And we can get this down. I Since those are kind of cut off, I added these. And I got this deer that I wanted kind of walking through since we're walking in a winter wonderland. Let me see how I want to, yeah, I think something kind of like that. Let me get these down. These were fun images to find. I didn't even have to pull out all my Christmas stuff because it's in a bin on the bottom of a bunch of stuff. Okay. Like that. So let me get him down. But it won't be long before I have to dig out that bin. Quicker for us crafters if we want to get out our, because last few years I've started Christmas journals and haven't finished them. So I really need to start working on them a lot sooner. At least get them done. I don't have to show them here. I can do a flip through at the end. All right, I like that. But I do need to remember the point of having that rubber band around is to stick my pen in it. I'm terrible about just laying things down and then I can't find them. All right, I'm going to take my Stabilo-All, and if I can find it, there it is, and kind of go around, especially the deer, to kind of make everything pop. It has been so hot. We got some rain this week, which we desperately needed. Our yard was starting to crack. But with the rain comes humidity, and humidity in Mississippi is awful. Rain only cools things down for as long as it's raining, and then it becomes very steamy. I had to run to Walmart early yesterday, right before 7, and boy, it was so foggy and steamy and just, I guess, everything drying. This helps the deer to pop out a little bit more. Get his antler down. Oops. Okay. But we've been watching Castle. We're over halfway through season 7. There's only 8 seasons. So we've been clicking through those. It's been a lot. It's been really good. I like that. Brings it out a lot. Okay, let's see here. Go around her. I love these art dolls. I'm so glad I was able to get 2. And they have such beautiful dolls in them. I know that should be going around since it's in the forefront, but I'm not. I want the moon to stand out more than I want the pine. Probably should have went ahead and put it over it, but I didn't. All right. I like this. Okay. Let's see. I have some rub-ons. Let's see if I want to. Maybe on that on my deer, give him a little bit of Christmas. Cute. I will kind of go around that to make it pop. Okay. And maybe that. I already add some stars. Okay, I remember to put that down. Put some stars. I already put the stars on that just to cute. Okay. I'm gonna just, I think the bird will be too big. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Get this down. Still reading the Janet Ivanovich book, Dirty 30. It's good. It's just very slow, and I haven't had much chance to read, so I'm ready for something to happen in there. Okay. Let's see. I think I am done. All right. Oh, no, I'm not. I've got to put some gold splatters. What was I thinking? Especially on a Christmas page. Got to have gold splatters. So we'll just take care of that. And even though I didn't really decorate this, I'll add some over here. Paint dried quickly on that. Well, all right. Let's see what we have. We have got something representing a holiday. We've got the tree and the poinsettias, a toy. We've got this doll, although I don't know that you would play with this per se. a handwritten line from a song, Walking in a Winter Wonderland, water in some form, we've got snow, sun or moon, we've got the moon, and bonus, a shoe or shoes, and there's her shoe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW27 to see what everyone else makes this week. I'm anxious to see what everybody's done. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.